Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Assalamu alaykum wa warahmatullah wabarakatuh. We welcome you back to Allah's training and coaching program, and we ask Allah to bless our efforts. So we are still on appointment setting training. If you are new to the training or you are new to the channel, kindly do well to subscribe to the channel right now and go to the description of this video to watch the past videos. And also I'm announcing to you that we have Allah's community group. This is a WhatsApp group that contains a lot of Muslim entrepreneurs who are willing to make money online in halal way. So if you are willing to join them, kindly do well to click on the link in the description, halal.ng/community. The training today, I'm going to be showing you how to scrape leads from Apollo in a new way. I'm going to first show you how to scrape from Apollo using generic Gmail account or Outlook account, and also how to scrape from Apollo using a business account or work account. So let's go to apollo.io. So a lot of you, when you want to type apollo.io, you type app. It's not app, it's going to be one p. It is L that's going to be double there. So apollo.io. So when we are here, just click on this. So when you come to this place, click on sign up for free. Alright, so if you want to sign up for Apollo, you can either sign up with your work email, and that is your domain email. For example, I have a company, saduprime.com. So your domain can be maybe info@saduprime.com, contact@saduprime.com, sales@saduprime.com, or a name, maybe Yusuf@saduprime.com, Ibrahim@saduprime.com. All these ones, they are work email, or they also call them business email. So you can sign up with that, and that is the best. If you don't have that, you can also sign up with your Google account or your Microsoft account. I want to show you that signing up with work email is the best. If you sign up with Google account or Microsoft account, you are going to be given 100 email credits on Apollo. But when you sign up with this, you are going to be given 10,000 email credits. And I'm going to show you that right now. If I click on this and I click on sign up with Google, so I will choose the account I have here. So I've already signed up. Let me just continue. Let me click on I will do it later. So if I click on this MD here and click on view credit usage, you are going to see that the email credit I have here is just what? 100 email credit per month. 100 email credit per month. That's what I have here. So that is not enough for us at all. That is not enough for us at all. So that's why I will log out from this particular account and I will sign up with one work email. So let me go back to Apollo. In this case, I click on sign up for free again. Then I will try to sign up with this work email. So if I want to use my business email that I have here, if I come to this place, this is my business email. Let me click on this place to copy the email. This email here, business@learnonlinecoachingbusiness.com. So I should paste that here and I click on this and click on sign up for free. So an email will have been sent to this place. This is the inbox here. I will refresh for a couple of times. Okay, this is the email, it has come. So I can just right click and open a new tab. So with this now, I have to register the full name. You enter your full name here. I'm doing this using a Chrome profile I use for a friend, and this is the name. Okay, let me just use this. So I click on set up for success. I click on I will do it later. So if I should click on this MD now to show you the credit, view credit usage, you are going to see that here I have 10,000 emails, 10,000 email credits per month. Unlike the one we did before that we had only 100. As for this one, we have 10,000. This is a reason to let you know that what we should use to create the Apollo account is work email, not free Gmail or Outlook email. That's why I'm going to be showing you how to get your own work email so that you can use it to create Apollo. This is going to require just little fund, but it's going to save you a lot of stress, and this is going to be the best decision for you. So I'm going to show you how to get your own work email in order to create this Apollo. So if you want to get your own work email or business email to register on Apollo, you need two things. You need a domain and you need hosting account. So if you go to your Google Host account, click on services and click on other new services. So when you are here, you are going to see this is an hosting plan for 1,500 naira per month. So you only need it per month. So after 1 month you cancel. So order now. So we are going to register a new domain with it. Just register something, maybe invent sales expert. Here I'm going to choose .com.ng because that is the cheapest. Check. This is not available. Let me put S and check. That's also not available. Okay, let me just say invent sales gurus.com.ng. Okay, this is available. Invent salesguru.com.ng is available. So I will add to cart. When I add to cart, I'll click on continue. So when you are here, you can see that the billing is annually, which is 15,000 naira. So you don't need this annually, just put it monthly, which is 1,500 naira. So you click on continue. So click on continue. We want to get our domain and the hosting so that we can get our professional emails in order to register on Apollo, to have access to a lot of email credits so that we can export all our leads without wasting time. So now we want to buy hosting for 1,500 naira per month and want to buy domain, which is inventsalesgurus.com.ng for 1,300 naira per year. So as for this one that is per month, we are not going to renew it. So it's just okay for us. 1 month is just okay. So you are going to click on checkout. Okay. I should click on this. I have read and agree. And click on checkout. 2,800 naira. Alright. Click on continue to client area. Alright. So you are going to come back to this place, client area, your dashboard. Click on unpaid invoices. So you are going to find it here, 2,800 naira. You click on it. You click on pay. So I will advise you choose this transfer. This is what I do. You can use your card anyway. You can use bank, you can use transfer, USSD, Visa, QR, but I use this transfer a lot and it works very fine. So you just transfer 2,839 naira 76 kobo to this particular account. Immediately when you transfer the money, it's going to show. So I've done that before. I want to take you to my dashboard. You can see I have two. This is the one I bought sometimes ago, and this is another one I bought later. So this is it. I have two already. So after paying, if you just come down to this place under your active products/services, you are going to find your own there. So when you find your own there, just click on manage. So when you click on manage, scroll down. So you click on this. When you scroll down here, it can be on billing overview and it can be on hosting information. Make sure you are under hosting information. When you are under this hosting information, this is the website, this is the domain you purchase together with your hosting. It's going to be here. That inventsalesguru.com.ng or something is going to be here. So you just right click and click something like this. If it is going to a place like this, that means the domain is working. Because if you buy domain here on this Google host, it's not going to work immediately. You have to wait maybe for 6 hours or for 12 hours or for 24 hours and come back. So the domain you purchase together with your hosting which is going to be here. When you right click on it like this and open it, a lot of times it's going to show error, maybe something like this. Let me do something like this. This domain is not existing, so I just want to show you how it's going to show exactly. So it's going to show this site cannot be reached, something like this. This is what it's going to tell you immediately you buy your domain and hosting. So you have to wait for 6 hours and try it again, wait for another 6 hours, try it again, until you find that it is going to a place other than this site cannot be reached. As for this particular one, I've already bought it maybe yesterday or a day before, so now the website is going. That's why you can see it going now. So in your own case, you have to wait for 6 hours or 12 hours or 24 hours. So after this domain is now going, after it has propagated, then you now come back to this cPanel and click on it. After you are sure that your domain has propagated, is now going, you now come to this cPanel like this. So what you are going to do now is that you are going to click on email accounts. So this is what you are going to see when you come here. You won't find anything here except this particular one, and that one is not needed. So what you are going to do right now is that you want to create your email account. You click on create. So you choose your domain. Your domain is already there. You can see the domain here. If the domain I bought is inventsalesgurus.com.ng, that's what I'm going to see here. I will now write one here, as I want to create domain which is oneaziz-business.com.ng. This is the domain, this is the email account I want to create. I will put my password here, then I will click on create. I have created one email account, so I want to create another one. I will advise you create like 20. Just write 2 like this. When you write 2, enter your password there and click on create. So with that, you continue to be creating your email accounts. You can write 3. Enter your password here, click on create. So you can create unlimited number of emails, because you can see infinity available, that is unlimited. So I want to create 4 now. 4 at oneaziz-business.com.ng. That's the email I want to create now. You can see I can continue to be creating them. I can create unlimited. So I will advise you create like 20. 5. Good. So that's it. So this is what you do now. When you create everything, when you create all your emails like this, let me just go to the first one there, which is one at oneaziz-business.com.ng. I will just come to this place and click on check email. So when I come here, I click on open this email. Let me send an email to it. You are going to see that it's going to land here. Or I can just use this to create Apollo for you to see. So if I go to apollo.io, I'll click on sign up for free. So I will copy my email, which is one at this. When I put it here, I click on this, sign up for free. An email will be sent to this. Let me expect it. I will refresh until I have it. Alright, this is it here. Activate your Apollo account. So I will just click on it. You can open a new tab. If you just click on it, it's going to open a new tab. So I can enter my name, maybe Aziz something. Just enter your full name, your password, and click on confirm. So set up for success. Then click on I will do it later. So if you click on this now and click on view credit usage, you can see, wow, I'm having 10,000 email credits. I'm having 10,000 email credits. Why? Because I'm using my domain email. So this is it. So after using your domain email to have 10,000 email credits, we still need this export credit. You can see the export credit I have now is just 10. I need more export credit. How am I going to get this export credit? What I'm going to do is that I will go to this home. I will go to onboarding. I'll be doing this task. You can see this task one. If I do it, they're going to give me 50 export credit. If I do another one here, they're going to give me another 50 export credit. If I do this one, they're going to give me 100, another 100, another 100, another 100. This one too, they're going to give me 50, but I will not do this because it is dangerous. I will tell you why. So these two, I will do it, they give me 50. So I can get a lot of export credit by doing the task I have on Apollo here. But as for the email credit, I'm going to get that using the kind of email I used to register. And I'm having 10,000 already. So this one I'm going to be doing in the next video, inshallah. How to complete the task on onboarding here to get export credit. As for the email credit, I've already got that using the kind of email I used to register. So we are going to continue inshallah in the next video. We ask Allah to make it easy for us. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah wabarakatuh.